What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Battle Cats, and today we are going to be taking on the Underground Labyrinth. I've made a pretty okay team, but actually I'll show you guys right now. I think it's okay. I'm keeping Giraffe Cat just because I think some of these levels are going to be pretty easy, and it's just good at plowing through those. But I'm definitely going to be replacing it with another Meat Shield later when things do get difficult. And you know, 3 genuinely good Ubers, Cutter Cat just because it's good, and Jurassic Cat Sitter because, well, metal enemies can suck. Oh, wait, what? It actually tells you what you're facing first. Oh, let me change my loadout real quick. Okay then, well, let's just get into this. Ooh, I like the aesthetic. I really hope it's not all zombies. That'd be kind of annoying. Okay, well, there's one. Let's see how strong it is. Okay, so he's still got the chance to burrow. Oh, right, this thing's a conjure. I completely forgot about that. Did you miss? Ah, crud, I think it went under. Should have gotten ease out. I don't think you guys have seen this one before. It's pretty big. I think it's part of the Iron Legion, I think it's called. Yep, there's the conjure. For any of you who don't know what a conjure does, basically summons a spirit that does some stuff and then one-time use. You can only have one unit that's a conjure out at a time, I guess, so that you can't trigger multiple, I guess for a coding reason, but connecting? What? You've reached the top 100 among... Okay, great. 5 cats have been caught in traps. Choose one unit. What is this? This guy. Oh, that sucks. Aliens now. Oh, that really sucks. Oh. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I'm curious if there's a way to stop something from getting caught in a trap. Okay. Yeah, I got this thing from the Sonic event that happened a few months ago. It's very tough against aliens, which is something I could use right now. I'm tempted to just not put any Ubers in for these first stages, because I doubt I'm gonna need them. Cat's eye special. Okay, yeah, had plenty of those. Who got caught? Ooh. I'm gonna save ease. Okay, I'm doing something kind of stupid here, but I'm going to test something. I'm not bringing a full loadout. Battle formation does not meet unit requirement. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright. I'm bringing Mineko, because I don't think she's that good. She has an insanely long cooldown and is pretty freaking slow. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can't just... Right, these things knock back. That's kind of annoying. I think I'm just gonna bring a lot of junk that I don't really care about losing. There you go. Okay. No award? Come on. Oh my god, it's gonna make me pick between Ease and Macho. I can put Crazed Cat in place of Macho. I can't lose Ease. I went pretty meat shield heavy, but... I mean... Oh, God. Okay. Max capacity in the Labyrinth. Let's go. Okay, there we go. Cat's Eye Rare, I'll take it. Okay, okay. Who do I want to keep? It's either going to be Snowflake Cat or, Snowflake Cat? Chill Cat. It's either going to be Chill Cat or Catalite. Because they're both anti-alien. I think I have enough meat shields, so I'm going to go 4 cats have been caught in traps. Trapped units can only be... Yeah, okay, great. Wait, what? Oh, I lost all of them. Okay. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm pretty sure half of this recording time is just going to be in switching my team around, so... So, I should be able to record for a lot longer than I think I have been. Okay, there we go. There we go. No awards, really? 3 cats have been caught in trap. Okay, so does that mean it has to be 5 cats caught in order for me to be able to rescue one? Oh, and they got rid of tank cats or racer cats. Ugh. Okay, I really didn't need to bring Irashimataro because, I mean, everything else is dying pretty easily. I really didn't need to bring him. Okay, I finally got an award. I can rescue one. I'm rescuing Craze Cat. I'm curious what happens if you lose, because if you lose, do you still have to forfeit some cats? Okay, there we go. Okay. I am really anxious. Okay, do I want to save a meat shield, or do I want to save cutter cats? If I could see what this next thing is, I could probably answer that question a whole lot better. I'm gonna save a meat shield. Wait, are you kidding me? Okay, so we lost 5 cats. I thought it was locked so that you were guaranteed to be able to, you know, pick one if there were 5, but no, I guess you don't even get the guaranteed chance. Metal and Angel. Okay, well, I know what 2 cats I'm bringing. Oh right, I still have you, so I already have some anti-angel, I guess. We good? We're good. Okay, great. Am I seriously only getting, like, tiny awards for this? Who am I losing? Wait, so it's just random whether or not you can rescue one. I'm getting, this guy, because he's actually good. Thanks for all. What? Is that a cat combo? I didn't even Wait, what kind of cat combo only has 1 unit in it? Oh, that's rude. I think this is where I'm going to meet my fate. Or not. $100,000 XP. Okay, who am I losing? I have to rescue one. I'm rescuing my meat shield. Aku. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't move. Huh. Oh, these things don't have barriers. Oh, no, they do. They're just worth crap. Oh, wait, no, that's their attack animation. Wait, where's the shockwave coming from? Is it you? Okay, I need to get Ease out there because this prick has shockwaves. Oh no, it's the king guy. Yeah, there we go. So is this guy actually gonna do anything, or is he just there? He has a freakishly long cooldown, holy crap. Okay, there we go. Okay, so nothing especially difficult so Oh. Oh, Cat's Eye Dark? You're joking. Cat's Eye Dark allows uber rare units to grow past level 50, usable on non-normal units above level 30. Okay. Let me know what uber you guys think I should use that on. Because I definitely would like to know. What? This has to be a joke, right? 9 cats have been caught? Are you kidding me? That is crap. Ow. That's interesting. Is that your range? That's it, really? Okay. It's kind of disappointing, but okay. That's a lot of eggs. And we have a black seahorse that spits boulders. What? Those look like the boulders that the Spike guys throw from Mario. I'm gonna try to look up a picture of them and put it on screen, but if I can't find them, then just... I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. Good grief. This thing sure isn't dying in a hurry. Never mind, it's dead. There you go. Okay. Am I fine? You know what, just for the bit, I'm gonna be getting this guy out. I'm pretty sure the killer cats are worthless. Yes, I lost the killer cats. Okay, they ate the slots. Perfect. I'd be willing to bet the statue cat is gonna be pretty good. Actually, what even is this thing called? Paragon cat. Yeah, this thing can knock back anything that's not traitless. And doesn't move. So, maybe it'll be okay against zombies? I don't know, though. What are we willing to bet this thing digs? I don't think every zombie unit digs. I'm pretty sure they all come back to life, though. But I don't know if they all dig. These things don't burrow. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Metal cut up there doing work. Can this thing resurrect already? Oh my god. Thank you. There we go. Okay. These things are beefy. Oh yeah, this super has Soul Strike, which means it can damage zombies even when they're on the ground. It's really nice. I definitely did not do this optimally. Like, the first couple levels, I probably could have just thrown on whatever cheesy cats I wanted to without consequence, because the difficulty is going to come from me not having strong stuff on the difficult levels. So, yeah, I can't rescue any of these guys. Okay, so that sucks. I don't want to lose too much later. I say that now, I can guarantee you I'm going to end up having to do an all-Uber loadout and I'm going to cry. Okay, good God. Okay, these knockbacking guys are being pretty freaking annoying. They're really just cheesing their way to my base, aren't they? Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. That didn't kill all of them? Really? I'll take it the capybara is a boss. Yep. Wait, this thing can crit? We're kidding, right? Right? Okay, I lost some of the junk. Oh, I can save one. Definitely you. This level's all Aku, so I shouldn't be too underprepared. Yeah, the shields are gonna be annoying, but they're just like the barriers. They're just technically different abilities, so you need a different counter. And now we get this guy out. I think this guy's one of the dynamites, but I can't remember. Oh! Okay. Are you long? Of course he's freaking long range. Why wouldn't he be long range? Yep, and he's taking hits, which is not good. He's dead. Oh boy. Well, I think we're about to figure out what happens. This thing does savage blows? Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm so dead. Alright, well, I guess we're about to figure out what happens when you lose a level. Do you lose every cat in your lineup, I wonder? Yeah, there's no continues, I know. 77 HP. Oh? No penalty? There's a penalty. Of bloody course. Now, this time I'm gonna save up and not be stupid. I also brought this guy, who's also anti-Aku. He's, anti-shock wave. I thought I turned Do Not Disturb on. And I screwed up. No, I didn't. Were you frozen? Do the Aku guys just freeze? Oh, you're faster than I thought. I was kind of hoping you wouldn't be fast. Oh my god, really? Nice, nice. He's dead. Perfect. Wonderful. There we go. A rare cat's eye for that. Lovely. Okay, so I have been recording for an entire hour, so I'm going to call it there for today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you at the upload.